So check out how nice show my cat is putting over here with this 5x7 area rug. I have to say that it has a really nice color, but more than anything, it's super soft right here on the surface. I think it's pet friendly, but more than anything, it is good for long-haired pets because since this one is not super long and fluffy, the hair is going to be super easy to vacuum. Another good thing about this one is it comes with this rubber pad right here on the bottom part. So Minnie, come on, get over here. But the good thing about that one, the rubber pad, is that it will keep it in place if you have like a tile or wooden floor. And of course, if you have any issues with that, just put some double-sided tape on the corners and that's gonna make the trick. It comes in multiple sizes and colors. This is the 5x7. I really like this kind of like pattern over here with all the leaves and the blues and the blacks and the whites with the browns. Looks really nice and vintage, but check the other sizes and colors on your own. She likes it, I liked it. 5x7, super soft and easy for your wooden floor and tile as well. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.